Alright guys, so today I went fishing, and as you can see on the first couple parts I was using a worm rigged up, and then I caught nothing, and then after a couple minutes I switched to a fluke, and then you can see that the fish started flying in. So I hope you enjoy, and also you can ignore some of the parts. I am kind of a yapper. The gills, and it's bleeding. Yeah, I'm gonna get my speakers. Oh my gosh, it's fish. They're just like bullying me at this point. There might be like a school of them. But why are they like here at the river and just like staying at the one spot? Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh. I'm actually gonna crash out. Yeah, there's another fish. Oh my gosh. This one's like fighting like really hard. This might be a different fish. This is a big one too. Oh yeah. Holy, this is a huge one. Holy, this is a huge one. This might be my biggest one today. Oh my gosh. This might be my biggest one today. Oh my gosh, this one's huge. Oh my gosh. I don't know if you're gonna see it, guys. Or is this even on?